Okay, introduction to Clickbank. We are going to review the Clickbank marketplace. Okay, before talking about the Clickbank, a brief explanation for anyone who is completely new to the world of internet marketing. The most common and the simplest way to make money on the internet is to become an affiliate, which means you get paid commission for making sales of other people's product. You leave the whole task of product creation, web, sales copy, order processing and customer support to the vendor. Your job is to simply get the word out about the product. You are given an affiliate link which leads the customer to the sales sites and identifies you as the person who gets credit if a sale is made. One of the most popular affiliate program is Clickbank. They are in fact the world's largest provider of digital product, essentially ebooks and software. You can choose over 35,000 products in many categories and their affiliate program is simple to join. Finding the product on the Clickbank marketplace. You can search for a product at the Clickbank marketplace where several thousand vendors display their product in an organized directory. Is the Before promoting any product, you should look at few things like is the product worth promoting. Look at the product price and commission rates. You should aim for product with a reasonable rate of commission, say 50%, to make your effort worthwhile. Be aware that Clickbank deducts transaction fees from a scale. Okay, you should also look the in demand item. The marketplace listing are ranked by popularity, so you can see which are the in-demand item on the marketplace. Popularity is determined by a number of factors, the main being the amount of sale and the number of affiliate making sales over the last 12 weeks. Note therefore that a product at the low end may still turn out to be the popular, especially if it is new. How effectively is the sales page? Visit the sale page of the product to confirm that the sale does a good job of selling the product. There is nothing important factor sales page leaks, which we cover in the next section. Check out this is also a thing which we are going to see whether we are going to promote that product or not. Check out the affiliate support. The vendor should provide with much more than just a link to join the affiliate program. Check for any usual promotional material, example sample ads, articles, solo mailing, endorsement, reviews, signature, banners. Ideally, there will be an affiliate mailing list so that the vendor can convey useful news. You want someone reliable who won't disband a program or make rule changing without telling you. Okay, this is a free tip. Check how responsive the vendor is with a simple inquiry. Just email them and see whether they are responding you or not.